Good morning. Now we are going to discuss about Chinese system of medicine. This as like Indian traditional system in China, the traditional system it is developed. So the Chinese following the traditional system that is called as Chinese system of medicine. Medicine. The ancient system finds it references in the Yellow Emperor's classic of internal medicine, which is believed to be prepared between 200 BC and 100 AD. This herbal is based on the idea that all life is subject to natural laws. The traditional Chinese medicine it is developed in China, same like that other systems it is developed as already discussed in previous class. Unani system in Greece, Ayurveda, Siddha and all in India, particularly Siddha in Tamil Nadu, India, and Amachi in Tibet, or more same like the homeopathy in Germany. These are the various systems it is developed and practiced in the respective regions. All the system of medicines that followed in the various region, it is everything. It is recognized by the WHO, the World Health Organization. The World Health Organization it is already taking much interest in this indigenous system of medicine and coming forward to exploit the scientific validity of the medicines used since traditions. The revival of great interest in these age-old systems of healthcare carries much meanings in the present scenarios. The study of alternative systems is necessary so as to grasp and receive the best out of it to rescue humanity from the clutches of the diseases. The modern allopathy has developed many sophisticated and costly diagnostic methodologies which at times have made it quite exorbitant and beyond the reach of common man. Many modern synthetic drugs may harm more than they help in curing the diseases by its serious toxic effects also. On the contrary, Indian system of medicines and Chinese system of medicines are totally traditional system of medicines are showed more interest showed by the global people because of the more safe without the harmful effects and comparatively less expensive than many allopathic medicines. Chinese system of medicines. The history of Chinese system of medicine, Chinese medicines dates back to 2757 BC when the first Materia Medica of the world was written by Shanang. It contains 365 kinds of herbs. Another legendary hero of Chinese medicine, Han Qi, during 2697 BC, wrote the Canon of Chinese medicine. Chang Cheng Kung, 205 BC, a physician by profession, introduced a treatise on fever, their diagnosis, clinical examination, symptomatology, course and the treatment and management along with acupuncture. His contemporary Q Tu, who employed anesthesia in Chinese medicine, is believed to be the first surgeon of China. In the 16th century, Chinese medicine contained 8,000 prescriptions with 2,000 drugs, and during the early 19th century, the names and virtues of plants ran into 60 volumes. The foundation on which the entire system of Chinese medicine is based and flourished is the Taoistic doctrine of the twin forces of Yin Yang, which constitutes and govern the entire creation. Theory and a concept. Chinese philosophy states that the body is delicate balance of two polar and opposite antagonistic and complementary forces. That theory, yin yang. Yin represents the earth and is dark, feminine and passive. Yang represents the heaven and corresponds with the sun, which is light, masculine and active. The human body, being miniature model of universe, accommodates these two fundamental forces. One of the major assumptions of concepts in Chinese medicine is that diseased conditions is due to an internal imbalance of yin yang. Disease therefore can be treated by correcting the imbalance. To bring the body back to healthy state. The Chinese system mainly it believes five body constituents, five body networks, and five body climates. Mainly five body constituents which involves Q or spirit, moisture, blood, Shen or psyche, and Shik or essence. Q is the animating force which makes us move, think and work. Moisture protects and nurtures and lubricates. Tissues, while blood is the foundation for bones, nerves, muscles and other organs. Likewise, psyche and soma are immaterial and reproductive expressions of the individuals. Chinese medicines appreciate the impact of unseen upon the visible. That five body networks. The networks, these are liver, heart, spleen, lungs and kidney. It is a nature of organized by five powers: wood, fire, earth, metal and water. The body also five functional systems known as organ networks. These networks only which regulates and preserve the Q, moisture, blood, spirit and essence. And next five body climates. These are considered to be the wind, dampness, dryness, heat and cold. As natural forces cause disturbance in the nature, these five body climates can derange the balance within human body. Wind may cause unsteady movements, dampness and causes phlegm and edema. Dryness causes cracking of mucous membrane, cold retards circulation and heat may inflame the tissue. The circulation of Q represents the Chinese view of the biological clock within all of us. The diagnosis. Practitioners of traditional Chinese medicines assess a person's overall health by checking the pulsation of each wrist and by observing the form and color of body, face and tongue. Pulse examination is essentially of diagnostic value. It provides a clue as records the part of the body in which the disease has originated and also in yang which is disturbed. It also enables a physician to assess the curability of the ailment. The observed is also interpreted in the context of the patient's past and present symptoms combines work, habits, physical conditions, family, history, and a mental backup. Diagnosis is a very important method to understand patient problems within the categories of the Chinese medicine. Treatment. The overall goal of the medical treatment in this system is to adjust and harmonic yin yang of the patients. This is achieved by controlling the Q, moisture, blood in the organ networks. Weak organs are toned, congestion is cleared, any tightness is softened, and any agitation is calmed. Likewise, the yin yang are brought to the balancing position. Chinese system incorporates 5 main ways, namely acupuncture, herbal medicine, diet, exercise, and massage. The duration of the treatment depends on the nature of symptoms and also severity. Acupuncture treatment and schedule also depends on the patient's conditions and responses. In all the cases, individual programs to measure the treatment and cure. Also, that acupuncture mainly depends upon the points which are located in the body and also located in the small depressors called gates in the skin where the channel appears closest to the body surface. These gates of body are opened or closed to adjust the circulation in the channel. Very thin, sterile, stainless steel acupuncture needles are inserted into acupuncture points to communicate from outside to inside. Needle remains in place for 20 to 40 minutes. Mobilization of Q, moisture, blood, muscles, nerves, vessels, glands, and organs occurs. All types of diseases are claimed to be treated and healed by acupuncture. It is also alternative line or treatment which has made in the Chinese medicine. Conclusion. This traditional Chinese medicine mainly based on the Chinese cosmology of yin yang, the 5 constituents, networks, and 5 climates of the body are believed to be important physiological conditions which helps in the diagnosis and treatments. The Chinese medicine is complete medical system. At one side, it can be remedy ailments and alter states of mind, and on the other side, it also enhances the recuperative power, immunity, and creativity. Apart from that, diet, exercise for the healthy individual or for the patient suffering from imbalance in the yin yang is properly planned. Herbs are more like foods than drugs, which can supplement our diet and fortify our constitution as well as prevent or remedy an ailment. Thank you. So, based on that, we can maintain the Chinese medicines based on yin yang theory and also acupuncture treatment and also maintaining the diet, exercise, massage. We can heal and prevent our diseases. Thank you.